Hello and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. As you can see, we're in the van at the storage yard. We haven't gone anywhere, but we do tour all year round in the winter. But we thought, as it's really cold, we'd put something in the van which might help.
Normally we put salt in, don't we?
Yeah, normally put salt,
Yeah.
but as we were shopping at
Home and Bargain.
was it Home and Bargain?
Yeah.
We came across this. Don't know if you can see, but it says it's a scented dehumidifier. It's supposed to basically catch water and deposit it in the bottom, and you have to empty it every so often.
You're not going to show them?
Show them what?
That you can put it in the goes in the bottom.
I did. I thought. See?
There. It goes in the bottom. I know, but if you're going to do things, do it properly.
God, you started to nag already. You've been cut.
Cut you.
So we got two of them because, as you can see, they were only 69p. We're the big spenders, aren't we?
We are.
So we're going to put one at the front of the van and one at the back in the bathroom.
Yeah.
As we don't know how often they need to be emptied, and they've only got a small reservoir in the bottom, the one at the front I'm going to stick in the kitchen bowl, just in case.
Good idea, Batman.
I know. Thanks, Robin. And the one in the back I'm going to put in the sink.
I was going to guess that then.
Were you? But I will say I'm going to put a plug in the sink,
Okay.
because you don't want to drain moisture up through the plug hole.
Okay.
You want moisture from the van.
Right.
Because I've been told that in earlier videos.
You've been watching somebody's blog, haven't you?
I've watched a few.
I thought so.
Yeah. And you don't really want to be putting in moisture from outside, so you don't put dehumidifiers or water catchers near air vents.
No.
Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give it a go, see how they work, and we'll keep you informed. If anybody has used these products or similar products before, please put a comment down below and tell us how good they were.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You did say, though, that we do use the van all year round, so not to stay.
we do use the van all year round, but even though using it all year round, it's still in the storage in winter for for a week or 2 weeks. So it still gets very cold and can get damp. So
It's very cold in here.
it's lovely, look. Hot.
It is freezing.
Yeah, it's cold today. That's one of the main reasons we thought we'd do this. But for 69p,
Can't go wrong.
we can't go wrong, and we can still use them when we're in the van at winter. You know, with condensation in the mornings.
We can do, yeah.
We'll try that out as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try that. Oh, by the way, after my purchase of the dehumidifiers, my lovely wife decided she'd like some ornaments in the caravan. So would you like to show the people what you've ordered?
Well, I wanted some ornaments in my bathroom because we have shelves in there now where we didn't have before. So I ordered a lighthouse.
That's nice, yeah.
It was lovely. And I ordered a boat.
Yeah, that's nice.
That was nice too. And I ordered this little shell. Just a cheap little shell
Yeah,
from eBay.
look like an ashtray.
Well, it was only £1.
Okay.
And I thought, I need something to put in my shell. So I thought, I can't put shells in because then when you're packing up to come home, you're stuck with all these shells that nowhere to put them.
Yeah.
So I thought, starfish? I mean, that's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah, it's bathroom theme, water theme, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
are you going to do the unboxing?
So I ordered 2 starfish. And I will show you them now. This is the starfish.
Is that 1 or 2 in there?
Well, I must admit, I did think there'd be slightly larger starfish. I wasn't expecting the starfish I got because the packaging's really nice. It was really well wrapped.
A lot of packaging there, wasn't there?
There was a lot of packaging, you know, keep unwrapping and unwrapping and unwrapping. And then they were put into a little bag. Oh, I can't open the little bag. Hang on a minute.
Good
Good
job
job
you.
they're not false in it.
I'll say good job you used Fixodent this morning.
Right, bear with.
Watch out.
They're that big.
Could have your eye out this.
Oh, I could do, because I'm going to put the packaging down. And in the post came this bulb starfish. Okay, big reveal into my shell.
Can't see him.
Oh, okay. We'll call that a boo-boo.
I think that's what they call in the industry as a fail.
I need more starfish. Do you realise though, if I bought some shells, they'd be actually bigger than the starfish?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Never mind.
That's eBay for you. Do you know, I did say the shell cost me £1, didn't I?
Yeah.
Do you know how much my starfish were?
I'm looking at them, about 20p.
They're £1 each.
£1 each. You were done.
Oh well.
The moral of the story is,
Check the sizes before you buy. I tell you what, they could be used as earrings.
yeah, I thought that. Yeah. Never mind.
Okay.
I know it's only a short video, but thanks for watching, and see you soon.
Don't forget to give us a like.
They know to give us a like. Give us a like and subscribe.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Bye.
Bye.